Creativity happens at the speed of thought, and your hardware should keep up with you. Hi, I'm Michael here with Signa Computers. Running low on memory, looking for the fastest CPU rendering on applications like Cinema 4D and post-production work on Adobe After Effects, Premiere Pro, and more? Today, we'll be taking a look at our high-end video editing workstations. If you're interested in any of our other units, then be sure to call us or email us today and we can build the machine of your dreams. If not, then have a visual treat looking at this BMW co-designed machine. Providing the speed under the hood is an Intel Core i9 Extreme 7960 16-core 32-thread that turbo boosts to 4.3 GHz. This is more than enough to provide excellent CPU power for any applications such as Premiere Pro and Cinema 4D editing. Piecing together this PC is an Asus 2X99 desktop motherboard that's expandable to 128 GB of memory. For all your 2D and 3D compositing in Adobe After Effects plus turbulence editing, we have 64 GB of memory. For video editing, having enough storage is important, and for this build, there's a whopping 612 TB of Seagate Iron Wolf hard drives running in a drive pool of 72 TB of storage. Not to mention a super fast boot Samsung 1TB NVMe solid state drive. Containing this beast is a sleek and beautiful Thermaltake Level 10 modular desktop case designed in coloration with the BMW design team. And lastly, providing all the needed GPU power is an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080 Ti 11GB graphics card, which is more than enough since this is more of a CPU intensive build. For this particular client, they wanted all the speed and memory for their video editing needs, so this brought the grand total up to 13,000 Canadian dollars, including tax. In case you have any questions or issues, Signa Warranty has got you covered with a standard 1 year that's upgradable to 3. We've been building machines for design, CAD, rendering, and editing for 25 plus years now, and they've just gotten faster, quieter, and less expensive with more storage and expandability as well. We've seen video move from 420p to 720p, then 1080p, and now to 4K and 8K. Are you looking for a new computer for CAD design, deep learning, simulation, video editing, and post-production? If so, we'll build the intimate workstation for you. Call or email us today.